Take a look at this video. Let's pray.
All right, I'm not going to be long. I have been telling people for a long time that what the Lord, I have been preaching to Barbados for more than 10 years. I have been preaching to this wicked country, Barbados, this wicked generation, that the Lord will hit this place with a tsunami. I saw that more than 15 years ago. More than 15 years ago, God showed me a tsunami hitting this country and cutting this country in half. I saw Christchurch. I saw the Pine St. Michael. I could not understand how that water got all in the Pine St. Michael. And it looks like the water was seeping through the grounds. But Barbadians are not listening. Even right now, there is some funny dust. There is a strange dust over the island, and rain just... The Lord did tell me that he will visit this country at a festive time. He didn't tell me which festive time, but he told me that he will visit this nation at a festive time. Let me share this with you. I have no doubt in my mind. I have been speaking and telling the people of God to... Let me share this with you. I have no doubt in my mind. Barbados is under judgment. Barbados is under judgment, and the whole Caribbean is under the judgment of God. People can talk about blessings. I ain't see no blessings coming to Barbados until this country come down on their knees. Right this moment, the outside of Barbados looks so strange. My little brother called me shaking. I have been witnessing to my family for many years. And he called me this morning to tell me that he had a dream about a tsunami. And when my brother can call me to tell me that, it means that this is imminent. I preach over the island of Barbados for more than 15 years. You will see me on YouTube walking, crying over Barbados. I'm not crying over this country anymore. I have brought in many people to minister to this country, apart from me ministering. God told me that he's going to hit this country with an 8.2 earthquake. And he told me that he will hit this country at a festive time. I don't know which festive time. He did not tell me which festive time. But God told me he will hit this country at a time. In the dream, I saw people eating and drinking. He didn't tell me which festive time. I saw people eating and drinking. And then the judgment of God came upon the country. The judgment of God came upon the country. Y'all can call me all what y'all want to call me. But this country, Barbados, will never turn back. It will not turn back until God shake it from the prop. This is a very evil country. Sunday I am in church. And while I'm in church, they could not kill me. A woman walked in, played that she's at the altar. And while I am sitting there, I start to feel strange. I am looking at the ushers for them to look at me, because there was no reason for this woman to come at the altar, but whatever she was praying, I started to look at her. This country is a very evil country. Are there godly people in this country? Yes. But this country, Barbados, is very evil. It's an evil country. So listen to me. 2 days before the crusade I had in Barbados just recently, this is the first time in the history of Barbados there was a crusade during December. Because God wanted me to have this crusade. And I had a dream. And in my dream, I saw blocks of ice. I saw the sky change over Barbados. Exactly what I am seeing now. And the clouds were not the same. And I saw blocks of ice, huge blocks of ice coming from the heavens and falling on the land of Barbados. I am telling you that Barbados is under judgment. And God has been warning us for a long time. Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica. I also saw, God also showed me Jamaica. Jamaica just had a 6 point something. But Jamaica is going to have a 9.9 or 9.6. One of the biggest earthquakes. Let's get ready. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for the great disaster that is about to take place in the Caribbean. Prepare yourself for what God is about to do. I know some of you have shop until you drop. But I know a couple of days ago before the crusade here in Barbados, God showed me judgment is on the way. Judgment is on the way. God bless you.